The financial markets are at a turning point as we step into second quarter of 2025. The US dollar faces critical support levels, stock markets are testing new highs, and Bitcoin is in price discovery mode. Will these trends continue, or are we heading for a shift? Let's break it all down in this analysis. Let's start with the currency markets. The US dollar is at critical support level. Will it hold or break lower? At the beginning of the year, the US dollar surged, with the dollar index hitting a two-year high of 109. However, as economic data softened, we saw a shift, with the capital flowing into Europe and the yen gaining strength. Now the dollar is at crucial support level around 102. If it breaks lower, we could see a move toward 100. On the other hand, if the index rebounds about 106, the dollar strength could resume, adding pressure on the euro and yen. For euro/US dollar, the key level to watch is 1.10. A breakout about this could push it to 1.15, while a drop below 1.05 might signal farther downside. Meanwhile, the yen is holding steady. But if US dollar/Japanese yen approaches 150, we may see intervention from Bank of Japan. Moving on to the US stock market, equities have been pushing higher, but key support levels are now being tested. What's next? The S&P 500 started 2025 strong, reaching record highs driven by tech stocks and solid institutional inflows. But now it's testing a key support level at 5,500. If this holds, we could see a continuation to 6,100. However, if it breaks lower, the next key zones are 5,500 and 5,000. The Nasdaq has been consolidating after last year's rally. Holding about 6,000 could see it push towards 70,500, but dropping below 15,000 may indicate a deeper correction. Investors are closely watching earnings reports and Fed signals. If inflation remains high due to tariffs, equities might face pressure. If the Fed signals rate cuts, the rally could continue. Now let's talk about commodities. Gold has been rallying while oil prices remain volatile. Where are they headed? Gold has been a standout performer, breaking about $3,000 per ounce. Central bank demand and economic uncertainty continue to support its price. However, after such a sharp rally, a pullback toward $2,900 to $2,950 wouldn't be surprising. If support holds, the next target is $3,200. Oil, on the other hand, has been volatile. Brent crude started the year strong but later dropped towards $70 due to oversupply concerns. If it can hold about $70, we may see a rebound to $75 to $80. But if it breaks lower, $65 is the next key level. Finally, let's take a look at Bitcoin. After hitting a new all-time high, will it continue its upward momentum or face a correction? Bitcoin continues to capture investor attention. After breaking past $100,000, it reached an all-time high of $109,000. Institutional interest and ETF inflows have been strong, but Bitcoin is now consolidating. The key level to watch is $90,000. If it holds, we may see another push toward $110,000 and possibly $130,000. If not, a correction to $80,000 is possible. Second quarter of 2025 presents both opportunities and risks across the financial markets. The dollar's direction remains uncertain, equities are at critical levels, and gold continues to shine as a hedge against volatility. Bitcoin is in price discovery and oil is trying to stabilize. Risk management remains key in such an environment. As always, this analysis is for informational purposes only and not financial advice. Assess your risks before making investment decisions. What's your outlook for second quarter? Do you see Bitcoin pushing past $130,000? Will stocks continue higher? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more market updates. Until next time, wishing you success in your financial journey.